The rise of aesthetic journaling, the hobby that's taking over 2025. In 2025, one of the most popular and rapidly growing hobbies isn't digital, it's a return to paper. Aesthetic journaling, a blend of scrapbooking, mindfulness, and creative writing, has emerged as a global phenomenon, driven by the search for analog peace in a hyper-digital world. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or a content creator, people across all demographics are picking up journals, washi tape, and gel pens to document their lives in visually rich and emotionally satisfying ways. Influencers on TikTok and Instagram are showing off their intricate pages, full of stickers, magazine cutouts, handwritten quotes, and soft color palettes. The aesthetic is everything: cozy minimalism, pastel academia, cottagecore, or vintage newspaper collage. It's about expressing identity and capturing feelings, not perfection. This hobby requires minimal setup but allows for maximum personalization, making it an ideal go-to for creatives in tight spaces or on tight budgets. Part of the appeal is the meditative nature of the practice. Aesthetic journaling serves not only as a creative outlet, but as a method of emotional regulation. Many practitioners use it as a tool for daily affirmations, gratitude logs, and mood tracking. There's no one right way to do it. Some fill pages with poetry and self-reflection, while others simply paste in movie tickets and song lyrics from the week. The act of slowing down and putting thoughts on paper, enhanced by beautiful and tactile materials, is therapeutic in itself. Especially in a time of rising digital burnout, the journal becomes a quiet space for mental clarity. It's this balance of beauty and utility that keeps people hooked and returning to the habit daily. The economic ecosystem around aesthetic journaling is also booming. Independent artists are selling printable sticker packs, themed journaling kits, and custom page templates on platforms like Etsy and Ko-fi. Stationery brands have adapted by releasing curated subscription boxes, offering seasonal washi tapes, exclusive stamps, and colored pens that match trending aesthetic themes. Even big players like Muji and Tombow are leaning into this wave, collaborating with influencers and launching online tutorials. On social media, Plan With Me. Videos and Journal With Me reels continue to draw millions of views monthly. For creators, this hobby is also a business opportunity, offering workshops, affiliate links, or launching their own digital products. This monetization angle makes it not just a relaxing pastime, but also a potential side hustle. Another major factor in the hobby's relevance is its versatility and inclusivity. Aesthetic journaling is a hobby that welcomes everyone, regardless of age, background, or skill level. You don't need to be a talented illustrator or a gifted writer. You just need a journal, a few pens, and your imagination. Whether you're a teenager documenting high school memories, a college student tracking study goals, or a retiree reflecting on your day, the format molds to your life. Communities on Reddit, Discord, and Pinterest provide inspiration, encouragement, and feedback in a non-competitive way. This universality, combined with the personal satisfaction of creating something unique, is what solidifies aesthetic journaling as not just a trend, but a long-term movement in the global hobby landscape.